Let's learn how you can check if your iPhone is original or fake. So let us start by opening our settings application. When you do that, you will have to click on general and then go to about. And here you want to find your model number, that is right here. And if your model number starts with an M or P, it means that the iPhone is original. If it starts with F or N, it means that it's refurbished and it's not from the original box. As you can also check your telephone box because model number will be there too. Now, what if your model number starts with an A or with a number or with something else that's not M or F? For example, in United States, model numbers usually start with, as you can see here, A3212. That means that it doesn't mean that if they don't have M, they are not original. They are just they are just made in another country. But if your iPhone is, for example, starting with a number, for example, 2B or 3C, that means it's refurbished from someone else that is not Apple. So your phone went to be fixed by someone else that's not Apple. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.